In today's video, I'll teach you how to redeem PayPal gift card. So if you want to redeem the PayPal gift card, unfortunately, you'll not be able to do it via the website or application. There is no direct option for redeeming the gift card. But I'll tell you a few indirect ways through which you'll be able to use the PayPal gift card. The first thing that you can do is simply use it while you're purchasing anything from any platform. Whenever you're making a purchase in any other platform, you'll be able to select the PayPal as payment method. Simply select the PayPal as payment method. After that, what you have to do is add the PayPal gift card like you would normally add the credit or debit card. So like this, you'll be able to make a purchase with PayPal gift card. Also, there is another way to redeem it. If you purchase the PayPal gift card from any platforms, you'll be able to redeem it in Rewardable. For that, what you have to do is go to New tab, click on the search bar and type in rewardable.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Rewardable. From here, you'll be able to redeem various gift cards. Simply click on this option, redeem voucher. Now you'll be able to reward the gift card over here. Simply enter your email address and enter the 16-digit code. What you have to do is click on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Now enter the 16-digit code of your gift card. Make sure to enter the correct code. After you do that, click on this option, redeem now. Now the gift card will be redeemed and the balance will automatically be transferred to your PayPal account. So like this too, you'll be able to redeem the gift card. So these are basically the ways to do it. So that is how you redeem PayPal gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.